Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy on Etsy in 2026. Are you new to Etsy and wondering how to buy something safely? In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to purchase an item on Etsy step by step. So let's dive in and follow these few simple steps together. Now, as you can see, to access the Etsy platform, you're just going to go to your web browser or access the Etsy.com website. As you can see, Etsy is a global online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. As you can see here, so you're just going to click on this website right here, and you're going to be directed to this page. Now, alternatively, you can download the Etsy app on your mobile device via the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using, and you can log in from there. Now, after you log into your account, you're going to search for the products by the search bar right here. You can click and search for the products you're looking for, and you can click on the products you like. You can check photos, description. For example, let's look for a chair. Let's look for a chair, for example. I'm just going to click here. As you can see, there are multiple chairs. I'm going to click on the product, and I'll be directed to this products page. Now, while waiting here, this is the products. You're going to check the photos. You can click on these arrows to display other photos and videos about the products. You can also check the description. As you can see here, it says the description about the chair. You can also check the reviews. You can click here and check all the reviews. As you can see, this is a 4-star review, 5-star review, and you can read the comments and the shipping time. You can also check the shipping time while proceeding. Now, you can select options. You can choose the size, the color, or customization if required. As you can see here, you can choose the finish or the style. Choose the size here. And then you can add to carts. You can click on here, click on the add to baskets here, and then you can proceed to checkout. Now, after you proceed to checkout, you're going to enter the shipping details. You can choose the payment method and confirm your order. Now, always read reviews and shop policies before you purchase it. And that's how you buy on Etsy safely and confidently. Always review your product details before placing your order to avoid surprises. This is it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.